Grab your safety scissors, a short rope that's about 5 to 8 meters depending on your body size, and let's get tying. First, you want to put the two ends of the rope together and find the middle of the rope. That's what we call the bight. Grab that bight and then make a knot, leaving some of the bight out. Grab the two sides of the knot and bring it over your shoulders. From behind your back, get the ropes and go from towards your body to the outside through the loop. You don't want to pass all the rope through, you're passing only a loop, and you have to stop when the loops you're pulling from the center part is reaching the end of the rope on each side. I am using a 10-meter rope because I don't want to cut it. That's why my strands of ropes are so long. But if you are using a shorter rope, it's not going to look as long. Then you bring all of the strands of the rope in the back and you can simply make a bow tie to close it. And this is the finished harness. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!